Evening viewer, welcome to our FTV English words and yes, amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, some things are just meant to be together. Peanut. Yeah, peanut butter and jelly, salt and pepper, and your gut. Bacteria and the viruses that infect them. Yeah, these viruses known as bacteriophages naturally target the bacterial species living in your digestive system. Although phages have evolved alongside bacteria for millions of years, they remain far less understood. But they are tricky to classify and so closely intertwined with their bacterial host that scientists still are not sure exactly what roles they play. But what if researchers could compare a gut microbiome with and without these viruses under otherwise identical condition? Is it? At Virginia Tech, biologist Brian Hsu and his team figured out how to do just that. SO and graduate student Holly Franklin developed a model that can selectively remove bacteriophages from a mouse gut microbiome and later restore them without disturbing the bacteria themselves. Yeah, in early tests of the model, the researchers found intriguing evidence that phages might actually make gut bacteria more sensitive to antibiotics. Their findings were published April 28 in the journal Cell, Host and Microbe. What could inhibit a bacteria's viruses but not the bacteria itself? In her early search through the literature, Franklin found a chemical compound called acryflavine that fitted the bill. Yeah, it is component of widely available medication used in Brazil to treat urinary tract infection. Fortunately, a member of SU's 11 paper co-author Rogerio Batagloli is a native Brazilian. He shipped a massive order of acryflavine to his parents' house, but he forgot to tell his parent it was coming. H. Sword. His mom called and asked, "Is everything okay?" Because 20 boxes of UTI treatment just arrived under your name. After that was sorted, Franklin began administering acryflavine to lab mice. Over a period of 12 days, there was a dramatic reduction in the concentration of viral particles, and they did not bounce back when she stopped administering the drug. But when Franklin reintroduced a teeny sample of the mouse's own gut microbiome extracted before treatment, the natural phage population sprang back to life. Yeah, it went away when we wanted to and came back when we wanted it to, said Su, which means we have a bacteriophage conditional mouse model or more fan back on mouse model. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.